When you're out on the range or tucked into a defensive position, there is one word that matters more than any other: reliability. In the world of wheel guns, we aren't just talking about tools for the job. We are talking about heirloom quality machines built to outlast the person carrying them. Today, we are looking at 10 legendary revolvers that have defined the gold standard for dependable performance. From the refined elegance of the Colt Python to the brute strength of the Ruger GP100, these are the pieces of iron that have earned their stripes in the hands of law enforcement, hunters, and citizens exercising their Second Amendment rights. Let's get into the top 10 most reliable revolvers ever made. And stick around, because the number one pick is a masterclass in American engineering. Colt Python. The Colt Python is often called the king of revolvers, and for good reason. When it hit the scene in 1955, it changed the game for the .357 Magnum. This wasn't just another service weapon. It was a high-performance machine designed to handle the hottest loads while offering a trigger pull that feels like glass breaking. Whether you are running light target loads or full-house .357 Magnum rounds, the Python just eats them up. Its reputation comes from that bank vault cylinder lockup and the solid steel construction that gives it a heavy, recoil-absorbing profile. While Colt paused production for a while, the new models introduced in 2020 have brought that legendary reliability back to the modern market. It is a true icon that remains a top-tier choice for any serious shooter. Smith Wesson Model 629. In 1978, Smith & Wesson gave us the Model 629, a stainless steel powerhouse chambered in .44 Magnum. Built on the massive N frame, this revolver was made for those who need serious stopping power in the woods or for home defense. What makes the 629 so dependable is its versatility. You can train all day with light .44 special loads to keep your fundamentals sharp, then swap in heavy .44 Magnum rounds when the stakes are high. The adjustable rear sights allow you to dial in your point of aim for different distances, ensuring your shots land exactly where they need to. It is a rugged, no-nonsense large-bore revolver that has proven its worth in the harshest environments on Earth. Charter Arms Bulldog. If you are looking for big-bore power in a package that disappears under a light jacket, the Charter Arms Bulldog is the answer. Launched in 1973, this compact 5-shot revolver is chambered in .44 Special. It gives you the diameter and thump of a large caliber, without the massive weight of a full-sized frame. The Bulldog is built with a solid steel frame and a simple, robust design that rarely fails. Its double-action mechanism is straightforward and designed for high-stress, close-quarter self-defense. At just 2.5 inches of barrel length, it's a get-off-me gun that you can trust to go bang every single time. It's an affordable, practical choice for the American citizen who values simplicity and stopping power. Ruger GP100, introduced in 1985, the Ruger GP100 is essentially the tank of the revolver world. Ruger didn't just build this for .357 Magnum, they over-engineered it. The GP100 features a triple locking cylinder that is locked into the frame at the front, rear, and bottom. This ensures perfect alignment and incredible strength even after thousands of rounds of heavy Magnum ammunition. The stainless steel frame is resistant to the elements, making it a favorite for hikers and professionals who spend their time outdoors. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, the smooth double-action and predictable single-action trigger make this one of the most user-friendly and indestructible revolvers ever produced. Taurus 856. The Taurus 856 is a dedicated personal protection tool chambered in .38 Special plus P. What makes this stand out in the crowded market of small revolvers is its 6-round capacity, giving you one extra round over the traditional 5-shot snub nose. It is built on a stainless steel frame that can handle the higher pressures of plus P defensive loads without breaking a sweat. The ergonomic rubber grips are a lifesaver, soaking up the recoil and keeping the gun firmly in your hand during rapid fire. Taurus has stepped up their quality control in recent years, and the 856 is a testament to that. It's an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-conceal option for anyone looking for a dependable daily carry piece. Colt Single Action Army. Affectionately known as the Peacemaker, the Colt Single Action Army is the gun that won the West. First issued in 1873, it is chambered in .45 Colt and is the definition of rugged simplicity. Because it is a single-action design, you have to manually cock the hammer for every shot, which means the internal mechanism is incredibly robust and less prone to timing issues than modern double actions. The balance and pointability of the Peacemaker are legendary among enthusiasts and collectors. While it may not be the first choice for modern self-defense, its historical reliability and solid steel construction make it a firearm that will easily last another 150 years. Ruger Blackhawk. Taking the classic single-action design into the modern era, the Ruger Blackhawk is a master of heavy-duty performance. Introduced in 1955, it is built to handle the massive pressures of the .44 Magnum and .357 Magnum. Unlike the vintage designs, the Blackhawk features adjustable sights and a transfer bar safety, making it both accurate and safe to carry with a full cylinder. Hunters love this gun because it can take Ruger-only handloads that would beat other revolvers to pieces. If you want a single action that can take a beating in the backcountry and keep on ticking, the Blackhawk is the gold standard for durability. Smith Wesson Model 500. When you need the absolute most power you can fit into a handgun, you reach for the Smith Wesson Model 500. This monster is chambered in .500 Smith & Wesson Magnum and was designed specifically for big game hunting. Built on the massive X-frame, it features a stainless steel construction designed to manage the astronomical pressures of its cartridge. Even with the extreme recoil, the Model 500 is surprisingly manageable thanks to its heavy weight and recoil-compensating grips. The action is smooth and precise, ensuring that when you are staring down a grizzly or a trophy elk, the gun will perform exactly as expected. It is a specialized tool, but for its purpose, it is the most reliable powerhouse on the planet. Taurus Judge. The Taurus Judge is perhaps the most versatile defensive revolver ever conceived. It is chambered to fire both 45 Colt cartridges and 3-inch 410 gauge shotgun shells. This dual ammo capability makes it a top-tier choice for home defense or as a snake gun in the deep woods. The ability to load a mix of birdshot, buckshot, and heavy lead slugs gives the shooter unparalleled options for any threat. The Judge is built with a heavy-duty steel frame and a simple, effective ignition system that handles the varied pressures of shotgun and handgun rounds with ease. It is a unique, dependable solution for those who want maximum flexibility in a close-quarters engagement. Smith & Wesson Model 686. Coming in at the top spot is the legendary Smith & Wesson Model 686. Introduced in 1980, this L-frame masterpiece was designed to be the ultimate .357 Magnum. It is beefier than the classic K-frame but more carry-friendly than the N-frame, striking the perfect balance for law enforcement and civilian use. The full underlug barrel helps keep the muzzle down, allowing for incredibly fast and accurate follow-up shots. Whether you are shooting in double action for speed or single action for precision, the 686 is flawlessly consistent. It is widely considered the most durable and accurate production revolver ever made. If you could only own one revolver to protect your family and pass down to your grandkids, the 686 is the one. In a world full of plastic and polymer, there is something special about the weight of a reliable steel revolver. These 10 firearms represent the pinnacle of American shooting tradition and mechanical excellence. But I want to hear from you. Which of these wheel guns do you trust with your life? Is there a classic I missed that belongs on this list? Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tactical breakdowns, and comment your thoughts below. Stay safe, stay trained, and we'll see you at the range.